Hi friends, many of the leaders from the past and present have something in common in their success. They're focused on their dream. We all have our dreams, we all have our goals. But many a times, dear friends, we fall short of realizing our goal. According to quantum physics, neuroscience, epigenetics, and spiritual science principles, our thoughts and feelings create our outer reality. Our observation manifests possibilities. Where you place your attention, where you place your energy, their manifestation happens. Join us in this quantum creation workshop to recognize and understand that meditation is a miraculous process to realize our dreams, to power ourselves into greater experience of life. You draw the vision boards, you develop your empowering beliefs, and then you practice longer, deeper meditations. And you attend a program in a place like Pyramid Valley International, in the energetic place called the New Shambhala, with this gigantic Maitreya Mega Buddha pyramid. We are going into deeper meditative states. We increase our learning significantly. By the time you finish this program, it is a vision goal that you are set off on a clear path to manifest your dreams, to realize your goals. Thank you. Join us in this program to celebrate your New Year Eve in Pyramid Valley International. Welcome the New Year with the wonderful meditations and with this wonderful empowering workshop that can help you set off on a great new path in 2024.